a wonderful occasion. It's a pleasure to be here. I must start with a complaint, if you permit me, because there seems to be some confusion about my introduction. I've been repeatedly introduced as the CEO of Azim Premji Foundation. Yes. So I think, as Sujeevan will certify, I'm actually a part of the finance and accounting team of Chanakya University. So, and I'm not joking, Dr. Sridhar, I have not told you this. Day before yesterday, I was in Maharajganj. Maharajganj is a district some 2 hours north of Gorakhpur. So I was meeting some people and one of them said, "Aapki university badi achhi hai." I said, "हाँ, बहुत अच्छी है." कहती है, "नाम चाणक्य क्यों रखा है आपने उसका?" So, big complaint to all of you and whoever is the master of ceremonies, right? But it has been wonderful. You know, I've been a part of the team for all these years, and it has just been wonderful. It's so great to see the position that we have come to. I just wanted to mention 3 things, right? 3 things. The first is that, see, I feel that this country needs lots of good universities, right? But it is very difficult to make a university, to build, very difficult, very hard. It is even harder to make a good university. It is even harder to make a good private university. Very hard, very difficult, whatever word you want to choose, sir. Okay, it is very, very difficult. And then, to actually try and make a private good university which is genuinely committed to equity, it is very unusual. So, we should bow our heads to this team who has started this endeavor. Thank you very much. Right? Second, the second point is, since I'm a part of the team, I know we have made many mistakes. We meaning Chanakya University. We have made many mistakes. We will make many more mistakes. Many more mistakes we'll make. I'm only happy to share that the other 2 universities that I have been involved in setting up, one in Bangalore and another in Bhopal, we have made less mistakes here than we made there. So, but see, be careful. We will make lots and lots of mistakes. There will be crisis after crisis, and we will not know what to do. But we will get over it. So we should be prepared. The reason we will get over it, and that's the third point, is that I think we have an absolutely extraordinary team. At the heart of everything lies what is the team. You have Nagaraj Reddy there. He is one of the few people. He is a wonderful person. Most of all, he is a wonderful person because he runs 100 kilometers a week. That is 40 kilometers more than me. You have, Vinay, I don't know where Vinay is. You have Chetan. You have the entire finance team. You have my old friend Ranga. I don't know where Ranga is. My old friend, 30 years now, Ranga. I don't know how long. So you have an absolutely incredible team. That is why every mistake we will make, we will get over it, and we'll build this great, wonderful, private university that is not just excellent, but is genuinely committed to equity. Now, I cannot end here. I'm saving something for the last. Kumar. What will be the team without Kumar? I have not known Shri Kumar for a long time. I've known him for maybe 4-5 years, roughly. Not like Ranga, 30 years now, right? Incredible person, right? Without him, where will we be? And I have to tell you, in my life, I have dealt with, I have had the privilege of working for a great boss. My boss is just wonderful. But I've had the privilege of working with, dealing with some truly special people of the world, in civil society, in politics, administration, business, in science. But if I were to count the very few truly special people, Dr. Sridhar stands at the very top. Right? He is an incredible man. I mean, I have never said this in public. He is an incredible man, and he is an incredible source of inspiration to this entire world, right? So, Dr. Sridhar, thank you very much. Thank you for starting this, and we know we're just starting. We've got a very long way to go, so thank you. Wonderful to be here.